To check your transaction history on Remitly, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the app or website to find your past transactions easily. Step 1. Open the Remitly app or website. Launch the Remitly app on your mobile device or visit the Remitly website on your computer. Make sure you are connected to the internet. Step 2. Log into your account. Enter your login credentials, including your email and password, to access your Remitly account. If you have forgotten your password, use the password recovery option. Step 3. Navigate to the activity section. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. View your transactions. In the activity section, you will see a list of all your transactions. You can scroll through the list to review details such as dates, amounts, and recipients. Step 5. Filter or search transactions. If you need to find a specific transaction, use the filter or search options available. You can search by date, range, amount, or recipient name to narrow down your results. By following these steps, you can easily check your transaction history on Remitly. Regularly reviewing your transactions can help you keep track of your finances and ensure everything is in order.